Make your gamer tag. Do you have a gamer tag? That's a name that you use online when you play games. A good gamer tag will help people remember you. There are many kinds of names you can use. Here are some tips to help you create a gamer tag that's special just for you. Add a color to your name. This is the easiest way to make a gamer tag. You can add your favorite color before or after your name. John Black. Pink Patty. Use the things you love. What are your hobbies? What do you love to do? Think about words that go with those subjects and add them to your name. Rita Roblox. Wheelin' Ryan. Will Charizard. Poetic Annie. Add a number to your name. If the name you want is not available, add a number to your name. But don't use your birthday or your password number. Keep your special numbers secret. Ethan 1204. Sarah 888. Ding ding ding. Now I know your birthday. He. Use numbers to spell your name. Is your name not available? Try spelling your name with numbers that look like letters. Combine adjectives and objects. Find funny adjective and objects and put them together. Get creative when you make your game tag. Silly, crazy, wild, supreme, hot, fresh, pretty, chillin', slippery, epic. Hammer, horse, cello, gamer, skateboard, student, girl, master. Wild girl. Crazy horse. Chillin' cello. Slippery hammer. Use rhyming words. Find a word that rhymes with your name for an easy gamer tag. Silly Willy. Extra Anna. Tom the Bomb. Plain Jane.